誒，早晨。It just happened 我今日早少少返工，啱啱而家 facing the east 個 sun 係 kind of rising but very cloudy, so this dark cloud covering the sun. Anyway, I am actually going down. Well, this is where our subway station, and I was kind of parked my car and going down the subway. Okay, so just bear with me because I'm walking down the stair, and of course talking to myself, but it's okay. No one's around me. They don't know what I'm doing. But, because this is so early, so not many people yet. So I am actually trying to go slow, and then I can focus and film it. And of course, this is one of our famous Tim Horton donut and coffee shop. And bear with me, I am going in. So I'm going in through the gate with my pass, and my monthly pass. And newsstands, newspaper, magazines, bank machine. This is the bank machine, and the flower shop. And another newsstands. Of course, all these Dinois. So this time I am going to take a little elevator, okay? Instead of walking the stair. I always walk the stair, but I'm going in the elevator. Down. I'm not sure you can see now, it's so dark. Oh, it's moving. Going down, down, and down. Down we go. On the lower floor. Oops, it's opening. Elevator is opening. And I am going into the subway train. So this is a subway train, right? And people see me filming, but that's fine. I'm not staying on any particular person. So that would be fine. Okay, so see you in a bit. I'm picking up a seat. I am picking up a seat. That's my bag. My bag with the laptop. See you.